Hi, this is Dylan. Welcome to my daily trading analysis video. Today is a Friday, 16th of January. Alright, so something big happened last evening. But anyway, let's go on with the euro against the US dollar. First, we see the price has plunged and it hits support level, the final exhaustion level at 1.1581, and then we are seeing a slight rebound over here right now. Alright, we also do spotted a falling trend channel, although it has been slightly broken above, but still went into it. So further down the road, we are expecting price to actually fall even further. Um, so right now we are just waiting to see if there's retracement on the 1 hourly chart itself. That's basically we can wait for price to retrace back to the top of the channel, or if it breaks a little bit above again, then we are seeing resistance level of 1.1753. That's another level to short. And if price were to go down and breaks lower, the first level we are looking at is 1.1405, and followed by 1.1330. Right, so that's pretty much for the euro against the US dollar. Just a very quick one is that next week, during the ECB press conference, there is a very high possibility that the ECB may start implementing QE, quantitative easing, and that will cause currency to plunge even further. All right. Anyway, next is the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. Alright, this is a 4 hourly chart. As you can see, the price retraced all the way back to the top of, or rather, it touches the falling trend line, and we are seeing price is being exhausted, and it begins to fall. Right, so this could be a short a setup to go for the shorts. Waiting for confirmation. If price close at this level, the current level right now, or lower than 0.7830, then it is a valid setup to go for the shorts. Look at the first level at the bottom is 0.7692, followed by the previous low at 0.7605. And however, if price were to break above the next level, we're looking at 0.7925. Alright, that's for New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. Pound dollar, we have, alright, this is the 4 hourly chart for the pound against the US dollar. As we know that there's a very huge falling trend channel, price has came down from the top right before it touches the bottom. It got supported by the previous, by the final exhaustion level at the price of 1.5062, and we are seeing the price is rebounding, forming a minor rising trend channel. And so right now, we do see the price has rebounded off from the bottom of the minor rising trend channel. And the first level we could take note of is the retracement level of 38.2%, the price of 1.5256, because that's where the price got resisted and starts to fall. So this is the first level to take note of. However, if price were to break further, of course, we can look at all the way to the top of the minor rising trend channel, and price might be able to retrace even further, since it just got rebounded off from the final exhaustion level. Right, and of course, if it breaks even higher, next level we can look at the retracement level of 61.8%, whereby then it may coincide together with the 200 moving average, which has been a strong resistance level as well. Right, so that's for the pound against the US dollar. Next, we have the Australian dollar against the US dollar. Again, there's a falling trend channel in the day chart itself. So zooming in the 4 hourly chart, we do note that price has touches the top of the channel, and it got pulled back immediately, and right now we are seeing price is about to depreciate from here. So this is the resistance level, 0.8257. And if it starts to fall, the first support level we're looking at is 0.8138. followed by previous low at 0.8033, and of course the final exhaustion level at the price of 0.7946. So that's pretty straightforward for the Aussie against the US dollar. Next, dollar against the Japanese yen, price fell and is about to touch the previous low at 115.60, one of the exhaustion level by the Fibonacci expansion. So we are still expecting price to fall a little bit further till it really touches the support level, and to wait for a long opportunity at this level as well. So if price were to touch this level, it starts to appreciate. First resistance level will be at 117.32. Any further will be 118.94, and finally at the falling trend line. Right. So these are the first three levels to take note of, and if it breaks any lower, the final exhaustion level will be at price of 114.71. Right, so that's pretty much for dollar against Japanese yen. And yes, finally we have the dollar against the Swiss franc. Well, this is the 4-hourly chart. As we can see, the price has plunged, tumbled, or crashed, whatever they call it. In matter of minutes, it has fell 1,400 over pips, 1,450 pips around there. Basically, the main reason is because the Swiss National Bank (SNB) has decided to remove the franc cap against the euro, and without a floor, we saw that price for dollar against Swiss franc fell as the Swiss franc strengthened. In the first place, the reason why the Swiss National Bank implement the cap is to prevent a overvaluation, right, due to the Eurozone crisis, whereby there's too many money that is coming into SMB for safe haven assets, and therefore in order to prevent a overvaluation, it implement the cap, and the moment it removes the cap, the overvaluation kicks in, and this is what happened. Right, so it has caused a big shock to the markets, and it is advisable to avoid this currency pair for the time being. And of course, to take note that euro dollar and dollar franc is no longer a mirror to each other anymore, since the cap has been removed. So, and just take note, one of the reasons that the Swiss franc has removed the cap could be because they expect the the European Central Bank, President Draghi, may implement quantitative easing during next week ECB press conference, and in order to prevent the Swiss franc from depreciating against the dollar any further. That could be another reason why the surprise move happened last evening. Right, but of course we do believe that there's a lot more of the underlying reasons, but that's so far on the surface. So just avoid any Swiss franc related pairs for the time being. Right, so next I would just like to quickly touch on Aussie against the New Zealand dollar. This is the monthly charts. So we do take note that the price has finally touches the bottom in the monthly charts, previous low, and we are expecting price to appreciate a major reversal to happen at this moment. Zooming the 4-hourly charts, we do take note that the price has rebounded off. It is beginning to make higher highs. So we are expecting price to begin to rebound further from here. Zooming in into the 1-hourly charts with Fibonacci expansion retracement. Alright, we do see the price has retraced, touches 61.8%, and it begins to rebound off. So this is one currency pair you might want to capture for the for a long opportunity, right? So next, just take note of the euro against Australia dollar. Price has plunged, right? Forming its second shoulder, and it's about to touch, to break the neckline very soon. So zoom in the day one charts, or rather the 4-hourly charts. There was previously a falling trend channel, and right now price has broken below, so we're expecting price to fall even further. So right now, hopefully we can wait for some retracement back to the bottom of the falling trend channel to go for a short opportunity. Right. So that's pretty much for the euro against Australia dollar, as we know that the euro is most likely to depreciate further. So this could be an opportunity to go for a short. Right, with that, I have come to the end of my trading analysis video. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you again.